guys, I'm Kathryn from Doitonadime. So today I want to share with you 10 spaces to inspire you to get organized around your home. Some of my favorite tips and tricks. Of course, we're throwing in some dollar store ideas so you leave this video feeling so ready to tackle a spot of your home and maybe think in a new way. And this video is sponsored by Cricut, which I'm so excited about. I've used the Cricut for years on my channel, as you guys know, and I've always wanted to go around my house and show you guys a bunch of ideas so you can decide if it's right for you. I like the Joy because it's the cheapest one and it is by far the easiest to use. No skill required. And there's a giveaway too, so be sure to stay tuned. First, we're starting with a spot that gets really dirty every week in our house, the refrigerator. I love giving my fridge a good deep clean, and there are so many awesome dollar store products. I really love the die cut bins and the paper bins. We have used these in our fridge for years. And the dollar store egg containers are a 10 out of 10 buy. Don't miss them, it keeps it really visual. Our fridge is constantly changing, so it really helps to have a flexible system and items can move around freely. And those things that stay consistently the same are what you label. Your meat drawer, your cheese, your fruit, and your vegetables. And here's how I save using my Cricut. Out of the box, anyone can do it. Just download the Cricut Joy app. It's totally free. Click Start Designing for a vinyl sticker. Set the dimensions that you want, and then start typing in. And I like that the interface is super easy to work with on mobile. It's really intuitive, no skill required. Once it fits the space you've elected, select your material. Here I'm using a permanent vinyl, and this is a smart vinyl, so you don't even need a mat or anything special. Literally all you do is stick your vinyl right in, and the Joy does the rest. And then you're gonna peel back your design and weed out the center sections. To put this where you want it, add some transfer tape over top, and I go over it with the rubbing tool. Then you're gonna peel the mat away, and there you go, you're ready to organize. And what I love about these labels, especially the permanent ones, I have these on water bottles. You can run them through the dishwasher, you can clean, disinfect, and wipe them down, and they'll still look great. My favorite way to get organized is the mindless way. I don't even have to think to put something away. And I love achieving this with shadow organizing. So I'm gonna take you into my bathroom. Some of my favorite Dollar Tree bins are these white ones. You can find not only fonts, but also images right in the Cricut Design Studio or the Cricut Joy app. Print these out so it's really easy for the kids to help keep up with the system. And I take a bit of poster tack and put it on the bottom so they don't shuffle around in the drawer. And the drawer always stays organized. You're gonna love this one, organizing your garage and all your tools with shadow organizing. Print these out and put these on your pegboards. I think this would make a really great Mother or Father's Day gift idea. There's just something so satisfying about it. I told you you'd love it. Honest question time. Do you know what all of the light switches do in your house? But you can really easily label these too. Sometimes just simplifying a few things like that make a huge difference. Something that we did this year was create a mask station by the front door. So those things are really easy to access. And I got all of those organizers on clearance from Big Lots. So they were super inexpensive, but they kind of remind me of the stuff that you'd find at Pottery Barn. And those things have a place to be. One rule that we have in our house is that no room takes more than 5 minutes to pick up. And you guys have seen lots of decluttering that I've done on this channel to simplify the toys that we have. All of our toys are categorized and the kids can actually help put it away. Cricut actually has two types of vinyls, the permanent vinyl like I showed in my fridge, and also a removable vinyl. This is great for items like toys or things you change out more frequently. We keep it pretty mostly clean, right, Owen? It's also great to have those visual labels in kids' closets. And you can do this right on your kids' drawers so they can help put things away and all of the bins and containers. If you have more quality fabric bins at home, this is really great to use Smart Iron-On. You don't need any type of mat or anything like that. You just put it shiny side down right into your Cricut. Make sure to print out a mirrored design, otherwise it will be backwards. Peel your vinyl away the same way, and then you're just gonna iron it right onto your fabric tote. You can do this for bags and t-shirts too. And these really stand the test of time. This is my friend Jess's closet. She has twin girls and she's got these designs all over her house. I do think it's sometimes worth investing in more quality containers. You guys know how much I love the dollar store, but if you wait for Hobby Lobby or Michael's to have their 40% off sales, these bins and containers are awesome for organizing inside of garages. It's just so easy to do and it looks great every time. What's also great about the Joy is there's a pen that you can actually connect into it so you can make your own labels. Then take out the pen and reinsert your blade and it will cut around to make a custom label. And you can do these super fast right in the Cricut Joy app. I'm going to show our Yoda. He adds to this scenario. I hope this video left you feeling inspired. Sometimes just seeing organized spaces gives you new ideas, things you may not have thought of that you could try around your home. And this is on behalf of me. I would love to give away a Cricut to one of you guys. I thought that would be a super fun giveaway to do on my Instagram. So if you head over there, I'll choose one winner to receive a Cricut Joy from our house to yours. I love you guys so much. I am so grateful for you being here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. Subscribe, join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you in the next video, and I'll see you guys there. Bye! Oh gosh, that needs to be cleaned so badly. When things are organized, I'm inspired to clean better. One of my favorite new gifts of 2020 is a steamer. Do you guys have one of these?
Not in the fridge with a vampire. I know.
Holy cow!
You should have used this for your other videos.
I know. Are you happy dance eating? That's how I get to when I like food.